Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get Salesforce Platform Developer 1 certifications. So first, what is the Platform Developer 1 certifications? It is an official Salesforce credential that validates your understanding of Apex programming, Lightning components, Salesforce data models, and security, process automation, testing, and debugging. So here is the step-by-step plan that you should follow. First, understanding the exam outline. The format is 16 multiple choice questions. Duration is 105 minutes. Passing score is 68% at least. Cost is $200 the USD plus taxes, one free retake with that. Now, prerequisite that non-officially but prior Salesforce or programming knowledge is helpful. Now, second, master the core topics. The exam covers the following sections: the topic and the weight. I will explain you in topic and weight. So Salesforce fundamentals is 7%, data modeling and management in 30%, process automation and logic is 38%, user interface is 25%, testing, debugging, and deployment is 70%. So here is a learn with these resources. So trial head by Salesforce free. So you can go to trial mix or prepare for PDI certifications, heads on projects and quizzes. Now here is the YouTube channels. So SFDC Facts Academy that will help you to grow up with for that certificate. Apex Hours, Salesforce Hulk. Now here is hand-on practice tools. So Salesforce Developer ORG, that's free actually. So you can simply go to the developer. So is here you have to sign up. Then you can go with this program and you can practice on the tool here. VS Code, that's in Visual Studio Code plus Salesforce extension. So you can download the Salesforce extension from the Google Chrome browser, Google Web Stores. Then Workbench or Postman for API practice. Now here is the use practice exams. So focus on Force. This is actually a platform where you can actually practice your practice for this exam perfectly, but it is actually paid but accurate with update. Card Prep or on Udemy. So this is actually free, but you can check for recent 2025 updates. Review actual exam style questions. Then here is join communities. So first you can join the Discord community of Salesforce, then you can also join the Reddit also. Now here is LinkedIn study groups and a Trailblazer community. So here is the tips to pass in 2025. Focus hard on triggers, SOQL or SOSL test classes. Then practice with real Apex code, not just theory. Review the official developer guide and Lightning components. Spend extra time understanding governor limits and bulkification. Aim for 75% plus constantly in practice tests before booking the exam. So if you are ready to schedule, then go to Web Assessors. So here it is. So where you can actually apply for that exam. So that's how you can actually prepare for the exam and you can get Salesforce Platform Developer 1 certification. So the most important thing is practice, practice, and practice. So practice more and more to get fluent on that. For that you can just qualify for that Salesforce Platform Developer 1 certification. So I hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.